In this video, we're going to demonstrate the use of the PB command that allows you to move a selected region of the mesh in a single direction along the X, Y, or Z axes, or on a plane, or in the general direction of a specified point. The PB command is very similar to the PA command, which allows you similarly to move a single vertex, and the PBS command that allows you to move a region to a labeled point. If you know how to use one of them, you know how to use them all.
Now there's another command that allows you to move the mesh around, and it's the PB command. Well, the PA is very similar, but it only moves a single vertex, where PB, you can choose any object that you can select as a region. So for example, if I wanted to change the coordinates in the Y direction for this face that's highlighted, I could use the PB command, select F1, and move it in the Y direction, positive 0.5. Well, that was pretty radical. I think I'm going to undo that.
Another way to move this region of the mesh in a specific direction is to use the Attach feature after selecting an axis from the pick panel. So here we've turned off the Y and the Z, and only the X coordinate will be used in this attach.
And so I select a node. That's one way of doing it. And I want this face to be moved so that all of the X coordinates have this coordinate. So I've selected the face, I've selected some form of geometry, and I click on Attach. Now notice up here that it created the PB command, just as I did using dialog. So you have two choices, basically. You can use the Attach to move things around, or you can use the dialog. And that's true for all of the movement commands, all of the commands that are associated with Attach.